Hello guys, in this video I will show you a great trick from Google itself to make your keyboards like very simple and smart shortcuts with AI where you are working, studying and so on instead of opening chat, conversation and mobile applications. So instant plugin on your desktop to fit in with AI using the keyboard itself. So first you will just press the Google app for desktop. You're gonna first link, and this link is gonna be ask anything with desktop app for the AI assistance. So I will download the application. I was gonna be waiting here for the Google Aid. It's gonna be like life changer for me, guys. To be honest, for winning time and getting short keys for that. So after that, we're gonna be opening the program that you are installing with. It's gonna be waiting a bit of time here. So guys, after the installation phase, is gonna be welcome the Google app application. I was gonna be sign in using my Google ID for Taki. I'm gonna be signing in as Taki. After that is gonna be getting this pop-up, and this plugin is always displayed on your things, which is AI powered responses, upload image and pictures files that you can download there, and you can ask whether what is on your screen. You can share screen directly on this plugin, which is the most feature I want to test you this, guys. So after that, it's gonna be search for your screen. I'm gonna be allowing for local files, but won't are never sent to Google services. I'm gonna be next. Got it. So if I press my Google here, it's gonna be manage profile, and I can change everything, and I can check what is new in the application itself. So I'm gonna be sharing screen. So it's gonna be install this one. Can you could you explain for me this one, please? So the thing is that I share screen here directly. It's gonna be explain me everything here. So I'm gonna be open another thing, which is the thing that I should mention with. So guys, that's the best shortcut that I'm using. You just share screen with that you're having. You share it, and then you are giving the ask things, and here is gonna be opening for any file that you want to upload so far. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Peace.